What is WordPress? WordPress is a free and open-source content management system, CMS, based on PHP and MySQL. It is the most popular CMS in the world and powers millions of websites. WordPress is easy to use and flexible, making it a good choice for beginners and professionals alike. It comes with a range of features and tools that make it easy to create and manage a website, including a built-in content editor, templates, and plugins for adding functionality. You can use WordPress to create any type of website, including a blog, business website, portfolio, or online store. Uses of WordPress. WordPress is used to create and manage websites. It is often used for blogging, but it can also be used to create a wide variety of websites, including business websites, e-commerce websites, forums, and more. Many small and large businesses, organizations, and individuals use WordPress to create and manage their websites. Some notable examples of websites that use WordPress include The New Yorker, TechCrunch, and the Walt Disney Company. Some features of WordPress. 1. Content management. WordPress has a built-in content editor that makes it easy to create and publish content, such as blog posts and pages. 2. Media management. WordPress has a media library where you can upload and manage media files, such as images and videos. 3. Templates. WordPress has a range of templates, or themes, that you can use to change the appearance of your website. 4. Plugins. WordPress has a plugin system that allows you to add additional features and functionality to your website. 5. User management. WordPress has a user system that allows you to create and manage multiple user accounts with different roles and permissions. 6. SEO. WordPress has built-in SEO features and can be easily integrated with SEO plugins to help improve the visibility of your website in search results. 7. E-commerce. WordPress can be used to create an online store using the WooCommerce plugin. 8. Multilingual. WordPress can be used to create a multilingual website using the WPML plugin. 9. Responsive design. WordPress themes are designed to be responsive, meaning they will automatically adjust their layout to look good on any device, including smartphones and tablets. 10. Themes. In the context of WordPress, a theme is a collection of templates and style sheets that determine the appearance and display of a WordPress website. Themes control the layout and design of a website, including the colors, fonts, and images used. WordPress comes with a number of default themes, but you can also install and use third-party themes from the WordPress theme directory or from other sources. There are many different types of WordPress themes available, including themes for specific types of websites, such as business themes, magazine themes, and portfolio themes. Some themes are also designed to be used with specific plugins or features, such as e-commerce themes that are designed to be used with an online store plugin. You can change the theme of a WordPress website by going to the Appearance section in the WordPress dashboard and selecting a new theme. The changes will take effect immediately, and you can preview the changes before publishing them. What is plugin? In the context of WordPress, a plugin is a piece of software that adds additional features or functionality to a WordPress website. WordPress plugins are written in the PHP programming language and integrate seamlessly with WordPress. They can be installed and activated from the WordPress dashboard, and they can be easily configured to suit your needs. There are thousands of plugins available in the WordPress plugin directory, and they can be used to add a wide variety of features to a WordPress website, such as contact forms, SEO tools, security features, and more. Some popular WordPress plugins include Gravity Forms, Yoast SEO, and WordFence Security. To use a plugin on your WordPress website, you will need to install it from the plugin directory or upload it to your website. Once a plugin is installed, you can activate it and configure its settings from the WordPress dashboard. You can also deactivate or delete a plugin if you no longer want to use it. Many popular websites use WordPress. 1. The New Yorker, a popular magazine that uses WordPress to publish its articles and content. 2. TechCrunch, a technology news website that uses WordPress to power its online presence. 3. The Walt Disney Company, the official website of the Walt Disney Company uses WordPress to share news and information about its products and services. 4. Sony Music, the official website of Sony Music uses WordPress to share information about its artists and music. 5. Mercedes-Benz, the official website of Mercedes-Benz uses WordPress to showcase its vehicles and provide information about its brand. 6. BBC America, the official website of BBC America uses WordPress to publish news and information about its television shows and movies. 7. Forbes, a popular business magazine that uses WordPress to publish its articles and content. 8. The New York Times, the official website of the New York Times uses WordPress to publish its news and articles. 9. TED, the official website of TED, Technology, Entertainment, Design, uses WordPress to share its talks and ideas. 10. LinkedIn, the official blog of LinkedIn uses WordPress to publish articles and insights about the world of work. What is Payment Gateway? A payment gateway is a service that enables businesses to accept credit card and other forms of electronic payment online. When a customer makes a purchase on an e-commerce website, the payment gateway processes the payment and passes the funds from the customer's account to the business's account. Payment gateways provide a secure way for businesses to accept online payments. They use encryption and other security measures to protect sensitive financial information and prevent fraud. Payment gateways also handle the processing of the payment, including verifying that the customer has sufficient funds, transferring the funds, and sending confirmation of the payment to both the business and the customer. Some popular payment gateway. 1. PayPal, a widely used payment gateway that allows businesses to accept payments online and in person. 2. Stripe, a popular payment gateway that offers a range of payment options, including credit card and mobile payments. 3. Authorize.net, a payment gateway that offers a range of features, including fraud prevention tools and recurring billing. 4. Braintree, a payment gateway owned by PayPal that allows businesses to accept a variety of payment methods, including Apple Pay and Android Pay. 5. 2Checkout, a payment gateway that supports a range of international payment options and currencies. 6. PayFast, a South African payment gateway that supports a range of payment methods, including credit card, debit card, and EFT. Some pros and cons of using WordPress. Pros of using WordPress. 1. Easy to use. WordPress has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for beginners to create and manage a website. 2. Flexibility. WordPress can be used to create any type of website, including blogs, business websites, portfolios, and online stores. 3. Large community. WordPress has a large and active community of users, developers, and experts who contribute to the platform and provide support. 4. Responsive design. WordPress themes are designed to be responsive, meaning they will automatically adjust their layout to look good on any device, including smartphones and tablets. 5. SEO-friendly. WordPress is optimized for search engines, which can help improve the visibility of your website in search results. Some pros and cons of using WordPress. Cons of using WordPress. 1. Security. As a popular platform, WordPress is a target for hackers. It is important to keep WordPress and its plugins up to date and to use security measures such as two-factor authentication to protect your website. 2. Performance. If you have a lot of content or plugins installed on your WordPress website, it may slow down the performance of your website. 3. Cost. While WordPress itself is free to use, you may have to pay for hosting, themes, and plugins, depending on your needs. 4. Limited customization. While WordPress is highly customizable, there may be limits to what you can do with the platform, depending on your theme and plugins. If you want complete control over the design and functionality of your website, you may need to code it yourself or hire a developer. Thanks for watching.